Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech. Oh, what's going on with my hair? Anyways, OneKey has came out with an update. My ADHD is kicking in, and I just wanted to talk to you about it. Make sure you're keeping your hardware wallets, no matter what it is, up to date, as well as the software that is a companion to your hardware wallet. And by the way, I am giving away a OneKey Classic 1S to one of you if you enter the Gleam.io giveaway link down below. Now here, I opened up my browser extension. It says OneKey 5.0 is here. Here's how to securely and quickly migrate your data. We need to migrate our profile or our data to OneKey 1.5. So obviously we need to start the migration. Now, please make sure you have your seed phrase, 12, 24 word, whatever you set up at the beginning of your wallet creation is backed up. Now, I showed you how to go through the setup process, not only with the browser extension, but also with the application. I have the desktop app right here. Let me bring that up. And you can see it also says update app to 5.0 is available. So we want to make sure that we update our firmware on our device. Very simple, very easy to use, very intuitive. Whether I'm using it on the browser extension or I'm using it on the desktop application, I absolutely love it. This update, by the way, adds a section where all network asset aggregation. I really like that because you can see in the upper left here, usually I would have to select an asset or a network like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever it might be. All available networks is now checked, so I can see all my assets throughout various networks, which makes it very nice. Additionally, new swap provider. So they added Changely as the swap mechanism inside their wallet, their extension, or their desktop application. Wallet and account management enables wallet drag and drop sorting, account pinning, and displaying of multi-network assets for each account. And then Solana network supports sending tokens compliant with token 2022 protocol on Solana. So the newer token Solana standard is now supported in version 5.1.0. And to update the desktop, obviously you click on the little notification view in the top right and then click update now. It's going to go ahead and download the latest version to your computer and automatically update the desktop application for OneKey. And now we just need to restart the application, install and restart, and it will come right back shortly after. Follow the steps here to go ahead and install it to whatever directory or location on your computer that you want. And now we're going to get the same wonderful features that we just saw on the network or on the browser extension, also on our desktop computer. They have some additional notes here if you're interested, you know, like feature reintroduction, management of customized tokens, batch account. So if you can add a custom RPC, URLs, export public and private keys, modify hardware device names, manually check for hardware updates, so on and so forth. Kind of a couple bug fixes that's good to see. Transaction expiry issues fixed with Solana, Aptos, SU networks, as well as improvements, data migration optimization, network sector enhancement, hardware connection troubleshooting, and browser page UI or user interface optimization. So got it. And now I want to see something. Sure enough, there it is, all networks. So I don't have to select the network and go hunting for my networks and pin them and all that stuff. I just click all networks and I can see all my assets at all times on different networks and different chains. And it's going to bring improved security, enhanced features, and possibly new cryptocurrencies. They already support Dynex, Caspa, and a lot of other currencies that some of my other hardware wallets either support or provide limited support for, but it just comes down to what you, the end user, really wants your hardware wallet to control, contribute, and manage your crypto assets. But I just want to share that information with you. The OneKey version 5.0 update is out. Update your wallets, keep your software up to date, and keep protecting and storing your crypto assets. Good luck to you. Hit that like button on the way out. Get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out additional links in the description, like to where you can enter the giveaway. And I'll catch you next one. Have a wonderful day. Take care.